The Congress today complained to the Election Commission about the repeat telecast of Prime Minister Modi's Madison Square Garden speech ahead of the Maharashtra polls, calling it paid news. They also said that he went to the United States as Prime Minister of India, not as a BJP leader. However, the BJP says, one, that it was a legitimate advertisement that they paid for across 6 news channels, and that the function that was organized at Madison Square Garden was a private party event. The thing is that not all the channels disclosed that what they had telecast was an ad, as they are supposed to.
Our people have made a complaint. It is for the Election Commission to take a view. Once he goes abroad, he is not a BJP president. He is not a BJP just propagandist at the international level. He represents 125 crore people of India. So he has no business to put up a symbol of his party there.
Paid news or advertisement? An incensed Congress party complaining to the Election Commission as Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Madison Square Garden speech played and replayed across Marathi news channels. Weeks after his US trip, but right before the Maharashtra Assembly elections. The Congress insisting it was a violation of the Model Code of Conduct as Modi went to the US on an official tour. The BJP agreeing it bought slots across 6 Marathi news channels, airing the 20-minute speech twice over 2 days, once even at 9 p.m, but claiming it was all accounted for in their election expenses.
The Madison Square gathering was a private gathering. It was not a government program. It was an advertising material which we advertised, and we showed it in our statements of account as well.
However, as per Press Council guidelines adopted by the Election Commission, it is mandatory for news channels to carry a disclaimer demarcating news and advertisements. But only 2 channels appear to have made that distinction.
Disclaimers are necessary because without them the viewer could confuse an advertisement or an advertorial to simply be news. The real fear that money power could unfairly influence the voter. In this case, the Election Commission will now have the final word. With camera person Harmeet in Mumbai, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.